Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup easy at home, only way. Begin by chopping onions, garlic, carrots, celery, and potatoes into even pieces and sauté in olive oil until fragrant. Add diced tomatoes, vegetable stock, and a bay leaf, then simmer gently for 20 minutes, finishing with fresh herbs, a splash of lemon, and salt to taste. Serve with crusty bread and enjoy with family. Layer flavors by starting with a classic mirepoix of onion, carrot, and celery sautéed until soft and translucent. Deglaze with white wine or a splash of stock, then add vegetables in stages so denser veg cooks longer. Use a low-sodium vegetable stock and taste often, adjusting with salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon to balance sweetness and acidity. Finish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of good olive oil for richness. Quick recommendation: if you love a tidy kitchen, subscribe and like if this video helps you keep cooking simple. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, and it saves time for more soup prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this helpful kitchen companion. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel today. Now let's get back to the video. To save time, use frozen mixed vegetables and pre-chopped mirepoix, or roast vegetables first for caramelized flavor. For a silky texture, remove a portion and blend, or use an immersion blender to partially puree while leaving chunks. Cool quickly, refrigerate within 2 hours, and store in airtight containers. Reheat gently and adjust seasoning before serving to retain freshness and flavor. Label containers with the date, and freeze individual portions for up to 3 months for easy future meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.